Senior Leadership and Management Masterclasses to influence your output, growth, change and culture.
So, if you haven't assigned the outcome yet, where are you in the conversation or in the process in steps 1, 2 and 3?
Choosing, framing.
This is all done on your own time. You haven't even spoken to the person yet.
In your own head.
This is all your preparation before you actually delegate. So you're now in the right headspace. You know which part of the project needs to be delegated. You've chunked it. You've used SMART. You've decided on who has the differential advantage, and if you can't select that person, you've selected someone else. Step number 3, you then tailor it. How am I going to communicate this outcome, this project, to the other person? Now I'm ready to go and speak to them. Other delegators will just go, right, okay, I need you on this job. Which is fine if you can do steps 1, 2 and 3 that quickly. And if you know the person, you've worked with them for 30 years, it's not a problem. If you've got someone new on your team, someone you don't speak to that often, or someone who has a problem with you, or someone that has a problem with the other people that they're going to be working with, you need that prep. Yes? We spoke earlier, didn't we, about the fact that much of what we've discussed over the last couple of days we are already doing, but we're not so consciously aware of it, but we're just getting those pieces of the puzzle on the table, aren't we? And then sorting wheat from chaff and moving things around, just to streamline our own processes. So when you assign the outcome, this is now when you are sitting in front of the other person. It's always best done face to face. Not always possible, and if it can't be done physically face to face, then use Zoom or Skype or some form of video chat, which is what all of us will do at the end of the program in about 4 weeks' time, when we come back online and we just give our accounts as to how you've used the tools and how much money you've made as a result of the tools and how much commission you're going to pay me. Okay.
Enroll on this masterclass now to influence your output, growth, change and culture. Enroll now at nicholashill.com or call 0345 678 9900.